Okay, Bill is trying to...
Get on the tricycle.
Yeah. And see what happens if he fits in. Can you even kick? What?
I'm looking to see where it was.
No, that's the passenger.
No, I can't find the...
This one.
That's the kick?
Oh, no, the kick is on the other side.
Fuck, I can't kick it. Like that?
Yeah.
Who they make this for?
There's no key.
No, I was just seeing if I could kick it.
What you think? This is your future
Yeah, tired as shit.
Hey.
Don't break on me now.
You look expensive.
I am. Gotta pay by the pound.
What is that? It's like a...
Like 20 or 30.
What's that expensive motorcycle? The one like a long, like you sit
Chopper.
up, and then you just sit like that, and then there's something here, so you don't...
Cross rocket. Cross rocket right there.
What? How about the brand? You know, the brand that...
Suzuki or
Oh, the most expensive one they had.
the Kata.
Harris, something.
Huh? Harley?
Harley.
That's like this kind of bike.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Harley Davidson?
Yeah, look at that.
Get on my Harley. Get on the Honda. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Oh no.
So you already had that, and you're just trying to do with this, and it took forever, and
Yes, yes, yes,
cost a lot of money.
yes. Well, anyway, we're gonna have this bad boy painted. Yeah.
And hopefully they put some kind of cover on it. Or maybe
Oh, it's not
painted.
included. You had to go to another place.
See, that's the Philippines way.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Everything is extra.
Yeah.
Oh, you want me to paint it? Like real paint? Oh, that's extra. That's not included the price I told you.
Yeah, I don't
This won't
think...
be painted.
No.
See, for
no.
that price, it should be
Only the
this and
sidecar.
that. What about this? This,
Where?
This,
Yeah, all of it. This one, everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see.
We'll see. We're
I
gonna
got
keep you
money saying
updated.
It's gonna cost extra. Everything is extra.
Go sing it, Bill.
Extra, extra. Read all about it. Alright, till next time, guys. Check out the Rileys. Like, subscribe. Yeah, I already said like. Comment.
Yes.
guys
What do you
I can
think?
do it?
Yeah.
Wah. I only had a key to it today, but tomorrow I'll get another store.
Looks like the motorcycle looks small on you.
You think?
It's like a toy.
I don't know if it's going to be able to carry me and up a hill.
Oh man. That will be a good video right there.
I don't want to see it.
Okay, guys. Bye.